Hey guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's take a look at the markets. It's been a while. It's been a while. I was busy. I was busy. Um, my trading view is glitchy today, but we got some, or maybe not, some good volumed bounce. Volume is good. This is a massacre. Yeah. Again, we got a volume. We got a volume. This all good. Uh, I wouldn't. Transition extreme with my friend. I did analysis, guys. I was busy. I analyzed my last year. Oof. Matching levels is not my friend, is all I can say. Transition extreme is, you know what I mean? Transition extreme is my friend. Especially in counter trend. I wouldn't call it a balance anyway. Pink. Spy. Just to buy it like this. We're going to the moon. Sorry. I don't know what's going on here. I wouldn't be able to tell you. For all I care, it's a transition extreme. My Tiro slowly consolidating, either to break me even or to go lower. Pfizer confirms a local extreme. DTM is merciless. Possibly. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Possibly. I'm to sold my I'm to sell my put soon. Uh I see. Merrick. Maybe finally this beast will go down because I'll have to close this put, sell this put at some point too in April. DTM in March and Merrick in April or vice versa, I don't remember. So what am I looking at? Oh, there was this cute entry here. In 0.5. I think there was. Yeah. Boom, boom. It's a good volume. And then this volume is scary. But that would need a test, and as usual, wouldn't give a test. Nasty. Oof. There's a spring, it's a respring. God knows what's this thing, and it's like doesn't make sense. This charging doesn't make sense. It's not a long trend, so um, let's go back to square one. It's counter trend. And what am I trying to do here? I don't know. It's an imbalance. Ever since here or so, and what I'm trying to do is this balance. I think. This thing is the market is freaking out because like spies undecisive. Spies undecisive. Boom, it's break. It's a break. And and transition external was like up there, so nothing to be excited about, I think. Walmart. That's interesting. Unbelievable guy. I absolutely don't know what to tell. I absolutely don't know what to tell. Um, it's definitely not the place on daily since it's counter trend on monthly. This thing can go, doesn't care. So only hour and minutes. And minutes that was like born unvolumed thrust, and now it will go. Ay ay ay. It's interesting, but unvolumed, and also it's a continuation of the trend. Yeah, but beyond its rotation point on monthly, so no investment. Just swing, please. Ice, 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 baby. Let's call it a correction. So this thing went lower and is again all right in continuation of the trend. Yeah. Okay. Target. Look at target. Look at this guy. Doo-doo-doo. I also, as you know, am switching over back to crypto and real stops. They're promising 24/7 trade on NYSE in this year. I'm very excited about that. Futures as well, but all in all, I need to be able to trade with real stops. My statistics, my logbook shows that I can afford to trade with real stops now. If you remember, I had to transfer over to American stock market because my personal statistic, my logbook was not allowing me to trade with real stops. It was 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So now I have improved. So um, I can be back to 24/7 markets that grant you a possibility of trading with real stops. Also, meantime, a number of American brokers started to provide access to crypto. Not like many, but at least Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and who knows the fourth one, Solana. Um, and that's enough for speculative trade with my amount of capital. It's totally enough. So I think American market will become more of like investment trade and Warren Buffett trade style, and crypto and maybe futures, maybe also like American futures, more like speculative trade. That's the plan for 2026. And you guys, I have a Zoom consultation with my trading coach tomorrow, 6 a.m. in the morning Pacific time, because he lives in Novosibirsk, and that's like 5 p.m. for him. And my logbook is not perfect. It's not the best, how my American friend taught me to say instead of suboptimal. I've done a lot of shit. I'm green this year as well as the previous year, but there is things should be ashamed of, and I am. And I was hiding them there in the darkness of my um, logbook, but they'll see the light tomorrow, and I'll have to be responsive to everything I've done. For all the deviations from the Roman strategy that I allowed myself. There's a smoke coming up, and I'm on the third floor, like brutally, big time. Maybe what I'm talking about. How does this matter? Well, it makes sense if it exhausts here. But it's like volume takeover that didn't take over, so let it run. Boom. Oracle. I did some money on Oracle. Wish I've done more. Yeah, it smells like cooking, like oil. That's brutal. Someone likes cancerogenic oil, cooking oil residue. Big time. I'm sorry for them. Cooking on oil, I think, is like one of the most harmful things you can do to your digestive system, to your overall health, for that matter. What am I trying to prove here? In this volume? Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, someone is brutally cooking on. You guys don't like cook on oil, don't fry or roast anything. And if you use oil, at least please let it be like cold press olive oil. The oil with the highest smoke point, if you know what I mean. And I hope you do. That's interesting what's going on here. NASDAQ. Doom on Wall Spring. One bar rule. Shell. Just grinds higher. Like there's no tomorrow. Volumes though. Hide my head, I wanna draw. So I flirted with volumes enough in the last year, just like single volume bars, expecting it to stop the wave of superior time frame, higher time frame, which is not a good uh which just statistically is not right. No volume of single bar of lower time frame will ever stop the way of and the markets are closed. That's all right for a quick trade. And the markets are closed. The crazy stock, the Taiwan semiconductor. I don't want to speculate on other people's misfortunes, especially when it's like entire nation. They're like in tough position right now. They are in a tough position right now. It went lower, look. And that's a break. And it's continuation of the trend with the reaction bar having more volume than break under ice, which is not good for short trade. Look at these volumes. We have volumes today. Are they real or are they fake? Hey, volume, are you real or are you fake? Why do I continue to observe this stock? Whereas in reality, it needs to. Look at this. That looked like a biggest volume, but then we have this coming in like this. And there is absolutely no guarantee it's not going to go higher. I would imagine it would not. However, um, and yeah, kind of drifting back to crypto, I still have to report I majorly don't understand. That has to go. The it's like volumes, like weird volumes. I need additional training. If I'm to operate on American market, I need to seriously improve my understanding of significantly improve my understanding of um, how market operates in terms of the dark pool set at volumes and like some crazy like balancing bugs, all this crap. Probably that it takes to go work in a large firm. That's the only way to know. There is no course out there that would like fill you in on all the ins and outs of the industry. Meantime, this is a good level for something quick. I was thinking today also that probably short trade should have been called quick because they're not short. It's just happening quickly. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. Okay, you guys remember what to do, right? Trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone no one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded